So now let's see how we can work around with Color RGB Adjustment inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around and select this clip right here. And then I'm going to go around over here under Adjustments. And here you can see that Color RGB is an option where you get the red, green, and blue option for adjustment. So you can go around and add in more red right here or get more blue. But let me just go around onto red right here. Then on the green side, you can go around and choose the amount of green that you want on your footers. And on the blue side, you can go around and add in the amount of blue on your footers right here. And this is what you have. As you can see, you press the play button and you can see that it is much more warmer. You can go around onto more, and then you can bring down the red right here on the overall channel, change around the green or blue right here, just like this as well. And that is how you can work around with the Color RGB right here, the adjustment of Color RGB inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.